So in the question here, I picked question 1, and the question asks to determine an equation for the polynomial function represented by the table of values. I have drawn out the table of values here. So when x is minus 3, y is 0. When x is minus 2, y is minus 4. When x is minus 1, y is minus 6. When x is 0, y is 6. Y is minus 6. When x is 1, y is minus 4. When x is 2, y is 0. Now, first of all, we need to find the roots. And the roots is the value of x when y is equals to 0. And when y is equals to 0, we have minus 3 and 2. So the roots are minus x equals to minus 3 and 2. Therefore, the function has two roots, x is equals to minus 3 and x equals to 2, from what we can see. And this will make it if it only has two roots, then this could be a quadratic function, and this is the equation to find. This is the general equation of a quadratic function to find the equation, and this is the constant that we have to find, a, labeled a, and this is the roots, the equation for the roots here. So y will now be equals to the constant multiplied by the roots. So x plus the opposite sign of the roots, actually. So to find the equation, we already have the roots, we have to find the constants, because if we just plug it in like that, like after we because we need to get it in this form, because it's when you have to equate this to 0 to get the roots. So when you now take this to the other side, it will now be x minus 2, x plus 3. Then when we expand, it won't give us the exact value until we know the constant here. So to find the constant, we have to put these values into here after we equate it to this is equated to 0. So x minus 3 is equals to x is equals to minus 3 as the roots. So to now get the now put them together, it will now be x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the roots. So this value is now going to be what's inside the bracket, and the same thing for this. So x is equals to 2, so it's x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x minus 2 is now going to be here. Yeah, that's it. So so you know that to find the constant a, you have to impute x to be 0 for both sides. So then we know over here, when x is 0, y is minus 6. So when x is 0, y is minus 6. So you put x as 0 and y as minus 6. So when x is 0, y is minus 6. Then we can have a as the only variable. So when we now make a the subject of the formula, a is equals to 1. So we can now input a into the equation and expand. We now expand, multiply x by x by minus 2, and 3 multiplied by x, 3 by minus 2. You now get here to this point, x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus 6 plus 3x minus 6. And this is the equation of the line y is equals to x squared plus x minus 6.